Welcome back everybody to a new video. Today we're here at the Bay Area Maker Faire 2025. This is my first time here. We're gonna have a blast here. We have a bunch of workshops. We're gonna have Crunch Labs coming here, possibly Mark Rober, I have no idea. And we're gonna have a few other guests doing this video with us as well. So let's get to it. This thing is so cool. What does it do?
So usually we have like a Bluetooth speaker on and whatnot, but between pulling power to run around, and we tried hooking up the Bluetooth speaker, so this has been going in and out. So yeah, he just kind of walks around.
Me! Here we have our guests, Lucas
and Mateo.
So right here we have this rocket shooter thing. So we're gonna try to shoot some rockets. I am done with my rocket here. This looks absolutely sick. We're gonna wait for the other boys and then we're gonna test them and do a competition as well.
Time to launch our rockets!
Ready to go?
Let's go to the bikes.
Which bike?
Bike time. We're gonna try to get on one of these, you see? I mean, there's so many things to do though. So, what we think about this place, I think this place is actually insane. They have so many cool things here, so many people doing random projects.
I like this place for some reason.
I think it's really fun because so many people have so many different projects. Like you can just do one by one, whatever you want, whatever you like here.
I like to blow up rockets.
Love rocket. Okay, so now we're about to go to the founder of Apple. He's going to be doing a speech. We're going to go over there and listen to him. And then later today, we're going to be doing a game of hide and seek with these walkie-talkies. So stay tuned for that.
I will happily sign a rocket.
Dude, hell yes! So I have a YouTube channel.
Ooh, what's your YouTube channel?
Kenji for Kids.
That's awesome. I'm gonna go check it out. Alright, where should I go? Here?
Yeah.
Here? Thank you. I appreciate that. There you go. Are you Kenji?
Yeah.
Awesome. Want to take a picture together?
So this C3PO is 3D printed. It looks so real. We have the androids from Star Wars here. We have C3PO and we have this one here. I'm pretty sure they can move. Yo. What? Hello. You should talk to him, like he's pointing at you now. These are so cool.
Thank you guys, thank you. Motor and the battery.
Oh.
These have like at all?
Yeah. So those are just guides. So it'll just go by itself. And does it have controllers, right?
Cool, right? Place ever. So this place is basically like an inflatable experience. We have a bunch of lights here, so many rooms, different shapes, and this place is very relaxing. This luminarium was absolutely super cool, and we had a blast in there. We played tag, hide and seek, all sorts of stuff. So many different colors, so many different rooms. From the outside, it doesn't look good, but from the inside, it's absolutely massive. This place is very cool. They only have this 2 days in the year. I definitely recommend you guys coming to this Maker Faire and this thing, especially the luminarium. So recommend. So we're doing a challenge on who can build the best thing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I told them about the channel. Okay, now we gotta... more thing to go to is the dark room over there. After that, we're gonna explore a little bit more and then leave, and then I'll be there. Now here outside of the Maker Faire, Bay Area. We had a blast here. We spent, I would guess, about 7 hours here. We came as soon as it opened, left as soon as it opened, as it closed. We had a blast. So wait, what was your favorite part and who do we meet?
Favorite part was probably the rockets because it's so much fun watching them and catching them. And we met Science Bob and Leah from Crunch Labs.
My favorite part was probably doing the car race because it was really fast and then one of them fell off track, kind of. And I met Science Bob from Crunch Labs and BAM.
My favorite part was when we entered the dark room, and my favorite part is when we met the founder of Apple.
Yeah, so we got signatures from Science Bob and BAM, which are both part of Crunch Labs. And we also met the founder of Apple. Yeah, that was basically everything. But those are three very important people. We were so happy to meet them, got their signatures, and we had a blast here. Definitely recommend the Bay Area Maker Lab. Maker Faire. We had a blast here. I definitely recommend all you people that are interested in the Maker Faire to come to the Maker Faire Bay Area.
Maker Faire, the greatest show and tell on earth.